Hello. I'm Juliana Hever, the plant-based dietitian, and this is the What Would Juliana Do Q&A. Today, I wanted to talk about food decisions. It's estimated that we make approximately 200 decisions about food every single day, whether it's about shopping and planning or what we're going to eat or what we ate or should we eat this or should I have that. All of those little decisions that take place around the day take up a lot of space and time in our minds. The good news is we can choose to simplify that and to choose foods in a more systemized way. That is why one of the many reasons that I recommend a whole food plant-based diet, because you're keeping your foods into one category of just vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, mushrooms, nuts, seeds, herbs, and spices in infinite tasty combinations. This limits all the other choices that you have to make. So if someone says to me, do you want a burger? No, I don't want a burger. That doesn't fit into what I've already kind of decided to do. So it helps to have some kind of parameters and guidelines and to stick to very simple choices, because everything in life is so complicated and difficult, but it doesn't have to be, especially when it comes to what you eat. So I suggest finding some staple recipes that you love, build them into your repertoire, delicious, nutritious recipes that are based on whole plants. And then you just kind of go through those recipes as, in a normal week. Most people are creatures of habit. Most of us consume about 1 or 2 different breakfasts, 2 to 3 or 4 maybe different types of lunches, and maybe 5 or 6 dinners throughout the week that we rotate. So we really are creatures of habit. It's very simple to just find those recipes that you love and base your diet on those. It makes for fewer decisions. You don't have to prepare so much because you already know how to make the recipes and how to shop for the recipes. And then you just kind of have a routine and it makes it easier. That doesn't mean you always have to eat the same things, because when a new recipe comes up that sounds delicious, boom, check it out, try it. If you love it, add it into the rotation and move on like that. Of course, at celebrations, you may choose to have other foods. So it just depends on what you love. But the simpler you can make it, the easier that part of your life will be. Thank you so much for joining me. Please feel free to reach out with questions and comments below or via direct message or my website, plantbaseddietitian.com. I'll see you next time.